Finishing off menu items is quick and easy with the Imperial Cheesemelter. The Imperial Cheesemelter broilers have instant intense heat produced by efficient gas-fired pre-mixed atmospheric infrared burners. We have a double inlet burner system which allows you to use one half of the broiler when volume is low and both sides in peak hours. The infrared burners are protected by a screen cover. A removable chrome-plated heavy-duty rack is standard with this unit. For quick cleanups, we have a full-width broiler pan that slides right out. For that professional look, we surround our Cheesemelter broilers in heavy-gauge stainless steel. This includes the top, front, and sides. This also adds to the durability of our broilers, makes cleaning easy, and helps keep the heat inside of the cavity. The Imperial Cheesemelter broiler comes in 6 widths, from 24 to 84 inches, which can be mounted to floor model ranges with our reinforcement channels. Or the Cheesemelter can be wall mounted with the Imperial wall mounting accessory. It can also be used on a countertop with our installation kit. For that finishing touch, nothing beats the Imperial Cheesemelter broiler.